be discussing about the concept of management of business studies class 12. What is management? When we are talking about management, we have seen that a large number of organizations, the big organizations like Wipro, okay, Reliance, Tata, Birla, why they are able to get the good result year by year, why there is a job satisfaction amongst the employee. It's only due to the management, because they are making the use of the available resources in such a manner that they are getting their desired objectives, and they are also satisfying their customers, their employees, and they have made such a policies that each and everything is going in their favor. So these things take place when there is a good or effective management which is being followed. So when we talk about the meaning of the management, so management here means that management is an art of getting the work done through others in an effective and efficient manner. ये एक ऐसी कला है जिससे आप अपना काम दूसरे के द्वारा इफेक्टिवली एंड एफिशिएंटली करा सकते हैं. सो इट इज एन आर्ट ऑफ गेटिंग द वर्क डन थ्रू अदर इन एन इफेक्टिव एंड एफिशिएंट मैनर. Now when we are talking about effective and efficient manner, so these are two different terms. What is effectiveness and what is efficiency? When we talk about effectiveness, effectiveness means completing the task on the time as per the plan. Planning के according आप अपने task को complete करते हैं. That is known as effectiveness. Okay? So whatever task is being allotted to you, for an example, if you have to produce 100 units of tube lights in 1 week by doing 10 hours working every day, and if you are doing that thing, अगर आप वो चीज कर लेते हैं, so that means according to the plan you have worked. आपने प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग काम किया है and your work was effective. ये effective हुआ. And efficiency means completing the task with perfection and the minimum cost. ये efficiency है. Same result, same example. वही बात हो रही है कि 100 यूनिट्स ट्यूबलाइट 10 वर्किंग आवर्स एवरी डे एक वीक के अंदर बना ली गई, बट विद द गिवन रिसोर्सेज, जो रिसोर्स आपको दिए हुए थे, यू हैव वर्कड ऑन दैट रिसोर्सेज ओनली एंड यू हैव मेड द ट्यूबलाइट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द नॉर्म्स और द पैरामीटर्स व्हिच वर लेड डाउन बाय द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. आपने वो जो लाइट्स बनाई वो नॉर्म्स के अकॉर्डिंग बनी, विद फुल परफेक्शन बनी. So that is known as efficiency. So efficiency means completing the task with perfection and with the desired resources, or with the given resources. That means you have to achieve the cost efficiency also. So this means efficiency. तो यहाँ पे effectiveness और efficiency दो अलग-अलग concept carry करती है. Now when we are talking about management, what is the process of management? इसका प्रोसेस क्या है? सो प्रोसेस, इट हैज गॉट 3 पार्ट्स. इनपुट, व्हाट यू आर पुटिंग, आप क्या लगा रहे हैं, रिसोर्सेज, व्हाट आर द वेरियस रिसोर्सेज व्हिच यू आर मेकिंग यूज ऑफ. सो व्हेन वी आर मेकिंग द यूज ऑफ द रिसोर्सेज इन द मैनेजमेंट, these resources are manpower, material, machines, methods, money and market. These are the various resources which we have to use as an input. हमको manpower लगाना है, we have to appoint the sufficient staff for doing the work, we have to give them the materials for doing the work, then we have to give them the infrastructure in the form of plants and machineries, then there should be certain methods or the techniques to do a particular work, then money should be invested in the proper manner as and when required, and there should be a market where you are able to sell your goods or services. So these are the various inputs or the resources which you have to put. Okay, then steps. इसकी steps क्या है? What are the steps of management? The steps of management are going in 5 parts. Okay, planning. The very first step of management, you have to do the proper planning. That what you want to do, when you want to do, how you want to do. Okay, ये सब आपको पहले से प्लान करना है. Then organize. You have to organize all your activities. What are the various activities which you want to do? So you have to organize them. आपको उनको organize करना है. Then staffing. After organizing the activities, you will come to know this thing that how many persons are required by you. कितना manpower चाहिए, skilled चाहिए, semi skilled चाहिए, कौन सा वाला चाहिए. So you have to make the appointments of those manpower. Then we have to go directing. Directing is one of the concept. After appointing the person, then we have to give them the direction that how the work should be done. Every now and then this thing should be done. And controlling, we have to lay down some controlling parameters. कुछ controlling parameters भी होने चाहिए कि what we want to achieve. Okay, so if there are some achievements which we want to make, so what are the various parameters which we have laid down. So this controlling parameter should be there. If we are not going according to the parameters which we have laid down, that means something is going wrong and we have to check that activity then and there only. So these are the steps of the management. And what is the outcome? इसका outcome क्या होगा? That we will be able to get the desired result, or we will be able to achieve the objectives. The objectives what we have thought of, that in the form of product or whatever services we are providing. So this is the basic concept related with management, because management is required everywhere. Without management, it is not possible for us to do any activities, whether we are talking about any business organization or we are talking about any non-business organization. If we are doing some work, we have to manage each and every activity. So management, it is that concept which helps you in getting the work done, and that work will be done as per your needs and requirement, and you will be able to achieve the goals. Okay, so today in this session we have discussed about the meaning of management, what is effectiveness, what is efficiency, and what is the process of management. All these things have been discussed by us in this session today. Hope you understand all these things and you will be able to make the use of the management in your work and in every sphere of your life. Thank you and have a nice day.